O mutugo watho na ihoto cikuruhanagio na mundu no ni uyu mahiu na nyamu cia githaka ni cire ihoto ciacio. Watho wa kuramata miikarire miega ya nyamu wa Cap 360 utamburukitie ciiko cia gutandika nyamu, guciroithia, gucigutha mateke, gucikuithia mirigo mikiriku, guciganja kana nyumba ina giko, gucimakia na gucima irio kana mai ni mugaru na watho.
You're finding our traders as some of the worst culprits in bad animal welfare. Have you seen how chickens are carried on the carrier of a vehicle? Kenyans really holding chicken like you know, is just another is a machete or a panga.
Watho uyu ningi wonanitie ciiko cia guthinja mahiu maria mangi makiroragira ni ihitia.
Things that we do also is to sensitize law enforcement officers that this cap and it's an offense if somebody like mistreats the animals and people cut them, some people don't treat them when they are sick.
Kora unginyitikana no wohwo mieri 3, gorofa ini tanyihire ciringi 2,000 kana cieri. No na watho uyu uri kuo mundu athiete na mbere na kwagarara ihoto cia nyamu, bunda gitongoria hari nyamu iri ihoto ciayo cithiete na mbere na kwagararwo na njira nene.
Wanapiga hao punda mpaka wanatoka vidonda, wanabebesa mizigo kupita kiasi. Sasa unakuta yule punda anaendelea kuumia.
Ni mawitikio matarikiene tore muikarire gite wa gikundi kia ene bunda bururi-ini Robert Maiteithia aratariria.
Bereni hatakuwa tunajua maana ya punda, niseme ukweli. Unajua sasa sisi tulikuwa tunaamini na tulikuwa tuna itikadi zetu ati ukikataa kuchapa punda vivoko 40 wewe si dereva, basi unafutwa kama umeajiriwa, na kama uko na punda basi hata wale wengine walikuwa wameiga mzigo uwezi patiwa, so lazima huo una ondali kwa kutandika punda.
People will say that donkeys, if you don't overwork donkeys, they will die. So that's a bad belief, and so it will make people just overworking animals.
Na kwa mwena wa rugongo rwa bururi bunda cikoretwo cikiheo irio citukanitio na bangi.
Saa ingine wanapatiwa, wanakorogewa bangi hiyo. Sasa punda anakorogewa pamoja na chakula, ikikula sasa inafanya kazi mingi sana.
Wiki nayo giokuga irio bunda ni guthinjwo mugaru na watho.
Punda wanaibwa sana, na wale wanaiba punda wanaenda kuchinja, na hizo nyama pia asipatikani, na ikiwa zinapatikana asina ukaguzi, so zinakuwa na magonjwa ambayo inaambukizwa binadamu, ile inakuwa kwa nyama ya mifugo.
In 2009 when a census was done in Kenya National Bureau of Statistics said we had 1.8 million donkeys. 10 years later in 2019, KNBS said we had only 1.1 million donkeys. So in 10 years actually we had lost like half of the population of the Kenyan donkeys. And we know why. We opened these slaughterhouses.
Na rejera ya kumigitira ndagitari Olo oigite gwifata bunda tumberagio makiria riria yagia ihu, ikio ihinda ria kuhuruka ria mieri itanyihire 6 niguo icokererie mayu.
You're saying that donkeys will be up to about 14 months, so they should rest, because even if rest is not that they give birth to them, they start working tomorrow. Just like so, we are seeing at least 4 to 6 months. Yes, but you see, all this depends on the several other factors, like whether that is the only animal and whether where is the animal working or there are other animals to work around.
Cynthia Kipsang mwene bunda kenyita ndeto eno baru.
Apumzike akiwa na 9 months. Alafu after unampea 3 months. Atakuwa amekuwa na nguvu ya kubeba hiyo mzigo.
Olo ahithurite bunda ege ya kuheo mweke yo nihotaga kuruta mwana atakinyanirie matuko kana guteriria ihinda ria guciara kwa ihinda ria nginyagia mieri 2.
They also need to rest just like all the other animals, because again, if you don't do that, we've seen in cases whereby just like all animals, when they are worked so much during pregnancy and the stress that is associated with it, you'll find not only donkeys but almost all animals, they will abort of the fetus because the stress and the pressure is too much for them to bear.
Kuona bunda ekuaga ihu kwa ihinda ria mieri 11 nginyagia mieri 14.
If you feed animals well, the female ones will come on heat and they get served and they'll give you more and more offsprings. And so the aspect, if there's no enough feeding well balanced, then animals are able to shut down the reproductive system and they just remain alive, because that system is not, to them that is a system that they'll rather shut out fast. So it's not easy seeing animals giving birth during drought periods.
Ndagĩtarĩ Olo oigĩte ũndũ ũyũ ũcũngagĩrĩria bunda kwaga gũciarana na njĩra nene, akĩhithũria bunda ningĩ ndĩngĩciarithanio na njĩra ya AI.
During the story of that semen, one of it is that it has to be stored to very low temperatures in liquid nitrogen. And this we're talking about negative 196 degrees. You can imagine what that is. And so it has been found that like cow semen and other animal semen will be able to stand that temperature. The donkey semen, when it's stored in those temperatures, they'll definitely die.
Ataramu ya moigite thengio ya bunda ti mateke no ngiona ĩkũgũthanio mĩkinyĩte mũthia, na ĩkauga maitho maya marĩ na ũhoti wa kuona magũrũ mothe mana.
Donkeys are from the wild, and they see in the wild they're always being hunted by the other animals like the lions and the cheetah. So they need to see all around where they are for the safety and for the survival.
Kameme TV tabarĩra ya marĩa matũrigicĩirie ĩgĩkũhe ũhoro GITAU, GITAU wa Wanjiku.
Hizi mwatoa wapi? Tanzania.